Hey, what's up, VECHAIN holder? So do this, otherwise you completely and the loss. My brother, this is reality, and those days especially. If you cannot do this, what I tell you in this video, exactly you are and completely and the loss. What's prediction in upcoming days? VECHAIN going up or fails down? And what we do in this current situation, sell, hold or buy, and what's the special news, what's the target of VECHAIN, everything is in this video. Kindly don't skip any second, try to understand what I tell you. If you are a new holder, exactly my friend, this channel is very good from you. So kindly first of all subscribe this channel, because this channel is guide you every time, will update you every time, give you every time special urgent news. So kindly click out the subscribe button. This time my friend, first of all, before I start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel. This time you can see here, my friend, the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and you can see here the last day is the April 30 to May. You can see here, my friends, May 03. You can see here May 3, my friend. What's going on? Definitely, if you can see here, the chart is going up. So it's mean every cryptocurrency at the start of month going very badly, fails down. So understand, to every cryptocurrency fails down at the start of month. But if you can see here, the VECHAIN is not like that. VECHAIN is going up. So definitely it's mean, my friend, to VECHAIN cannot fails down, and those that if they cannot fails down, and those then it's mean to upcoming days they also take a very high jump, because all cryptocurrencies moving very fastly start in the second week especially of the any month, my friend. So this time you can see the VECHAIN has gone up in the first week of this month. So definitely it's mean to upcoming days they take a very high jump, and they go and the moon completely, and the moon, you can see this time the change occur as a plus 16.59%. So definitely this is very high change, and I hope in upcoming days they also take a very high change. So this time you can see 0.22 US dollar as the price of a VECHAIN, and easily they can hit it at this month half US dollar, but the target is 1 US dollar. Understand, on the Twitter I see, my friend, a lot of holders especially, and very special, my friend, specialist of crypto market absolutely tell us to VECHAIN hit 1 US dollar if they're moving like that, and those if they're moving up, so definitely it's mean to upcoming days they're going very fastly. So kindly, if you are my subscriber, if you are my viewer, then I tell you, my friend, I cannot leave you and lost, my friend. So therefore I tell you to please don't sell it, hold it, and I hope they make you millionaire, they make you rich man. So kindly hold it and wait for a good time, they make you millionaire. So hope you understand. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching.